Okay, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the hard drive in your PlayStation 3 system. So the things you'll need are, of course, your PlayStation 3 system. And you're going to need a screwdriver so you can open the stuff you need to. And you also need your new hard drive that you're going to install. So first off, we have to open a tab that's on the bottom of the PlayStation. And there you see it. And inside of the tab is a blue screw. So what you need to do is unscrew that blue screw. Okay, and then after you're done removing that blue screw there, make sure you put the screw somewhere where it won't get lost. Then there's a cover right in front of where the blue screw was, and you need to slide it off. It slides off, and inside you can see there is the console that holds your hard drive. So what you need to do is pull that little metal thing and pull your hard drive out there. As you can see, it slides out, and there you have your old hard drive. So what you're going to do is there are 4 screws on the bottom, and you're going to unscrew all those screws, of the 4 screws that are on the bottom of the hard drive. Okay, it'll be 1 second while I unscrew those. Okay, we're almost done here. Okay, after you have finished unscrewing those 4 screws on the bottom of there, what you need to do is you need to flip your case upside down and pop the hard drive out. Now, as you can see, there's your old hard drive. I'm going to set that over on the other counter and get the new hard drive. Okay, there's my new hard drive, and I'm going to slip it into the case. And then I'm going to continue to put the 4 screws back into the bottom of the hard drive, and they should screw right in to your new hard drive if you got the right type of hard drive. Okay, now after you're done putting your 4 screws back into the bottom, you need to take your hard drive and you need to place it back in the spot that you got it from. You need to put it back in that spot. After you get it in, you need to press the little metal thing back in because the plate won't go on unless that's pushed back up. So then you get your cover and you put your cover back on. Okay. Then you take your blue screw, which you have hopefully not lost, and you place it back into the hole and screw it back in. Okay, and after you have screwed your screw back in, you need to replace the little cover and click it back on over top of the blue screw. And there you go, you've upgraded your PlayStation 3 Slim. One thing to remember is that PlayStation 3 Slims to get a 2.5-inch or ATA hard drive, just as a preference. And I've found the best hard drives are Western Digital. I bought my new hard drive on Amazon. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.